Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today guys, we're going to be doing a Vauxhall Corsa themed car accessories video. So if you're looking to mod up your car in the littlest ways and the cheapest ways, then carry on watching this video because you're in the right place. So without further ado guys, let's go and unbox all the stuff we have for today's video. Alright guys, so the first product we have today is these Vauxhall seatbelt covers. They just slip onto the seatbelt and it's just a way of pulling the strap across and just making it look a little bit more fancy really. There's not much to this. They're about £10, £15 depending on what type you get. I got the carbon fibre edition, which was a little bit more. It was £13.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, don't hurt me, sorry.
And just the standard version of this was black, but the theme I'm going for in my car is carbon fibre and red. So I went for the carbon fibre, and as you can see here, this is what we've got. We've got two, both for the front seats. You can obviously get some for the back as well, that's your choice. I've just got some for the front now, just to see how I get on. If I like them in the future, I'll buy some more. But let's go and put these on the car, guys. Alright guys, so the next one up is nice and easy. So all you're going to want to do is just put your belt across. You don't have to obviously have the belt on to put this on, but I'm just doing it because it's just easier that way. So all you have to do is just get your seatbelt strap cover out the bag and then pull the Velcro apart just like that, and then obviously you have the inside, and then literally as simple as this, and then attach the Velcro back together, make it as tight as possible. Just like that guys, and just like that guys, and there you go, you've got a strap. So obviously, instead of having to just pull the seatbelt itself, you could just pull this, so it's nice and cushy in your hands. And then clip yourself in. You can adjust where you want it to sit, so you could have it up here if it's getting in your way, or right in the middle, or right at the bottom, just out the way or wherever you want to have it. So I'm going to have it here, and honestly it just feels nice and comfortable, just like that. It feels perfect. So I'd rate that, and I would suggest getting it guys. This one is from Amazon UK and it's literally just £13.99, or it's something around £13. Right, so now that one's out of the way guys, we can move on to the next product. Alright guys, so now we've got the first one out of the way, which was these seatbelt covers. We can now move on to the second accessory of today. Now guys, this one's smart. For you girls out there, and this goes for some boys as well. So, say you're going out on a date with your girlfriend and you're going to pick her up, and you stop by a house, and then she says she's ready, she sends you a text message, and then she's like another hour later because she's doing her makeup, but she hasn't even started yet. But I've got a way to resolve that, in which she can do it, but in your car. You're probably like, what are you talking about? But guys, here I have the LED light mirror, which is for the girls, and I guess for the boys if you really want to use it. It goes for anyone really. It's a USB one, so it just plugs into a cigarette lighter. If you have like the little USB adapter that you plug in there, and you just plug the USB in and plug it into the mirror itself. Yeah, I think this one's pretty smart guys. You're probably like, why have you bought this? But it's because I've got a girlfriend and she takes ages doing her makeup. So why not hit your girlfriend up, and if she's doing her makeup, tell her to get in the car. It's got lights on it as well obviously because it's LED, and your problem is solved. So you're welcome guys. But yes guys, let's go and install this onto the car so your girlfriend and my girlfriend don't take ages doing their makeup anymore.
Oh, this is the greatest day of my life.
Obviously it's just going to attach onto this little board here, and it's just as easy as that really. So let's get this installed. So here we are now guys, unboxing it, and we've got a new USB, and it's a fast charging one as well, which is nice. And we've got the instructions, we won't use them. and we've got a nice bit of padding, and then obviously we've got the straps that are connected to the mirror. That is cracked.
No!
Well, that one kind of flopped, guys. I don't really know what to say about that. We'll give it a go anyway. I don't know if it's going to work, but Jesus. Alright guys, so I'm not going to install this one as it's smashed and I'm going to have to replace it. So I'm just going to see if it works anyway and see if we can get an example of what it actually looks like. Right, so here's the makeup mirror. And it does still work, guys. Obviously, the only downside about this is that it's smashed. So that's the on button, and then you've got a brighter setting as well. And it's just so nice, like, if you can just imagine it up there in the night, and you can just see things like if you've got something on your face or something's irritating you, or your girlfriend simply just wants to do a makeup, she can have it on bright, or if it's too bright for her, she can also have it dulled a bit. But yeah guys, that's a makeup mirror. It is a good product. It's really good actually. The only downside is that it's smashed, but I'm definitely going to replace this as it really does seem worth it. Alright guys, so the third accessory we have today is quite a bigger one, and again, I hadn't seen a lot of people have this. Is a car boot organizer. It's so handy. Like you have 1, 2, and then a big pocket 3. You have 4 pockets, and you can literally put stuff like car fluids and anything like that, any stuff you need that's just going to get in the way of, like, say if you went shopping and you just got stuff everywhere like car cleaner and you have nowhere to put it. This would be a good organizer to put stuff in. Or if you had like glass bottles, for instance, wine or J2Os or anything, you could literally put them in there instead of it just getting smashed around in a shopping bag. It's literally so simple guys. All you have to do is hook these straps on the back of this little head on the seat, and that is it. So let's go and put them on the boot on those back head seats. So all you have to do guys is lift up the heads and just get the strap round 1 and round 2 and just close them both back down. Just as easy as that. And as you can see now, we have got space to put all our stuff like car wax, wheel cleaner, and then just close it down. You can put more stuff in, just like that guys. And that is going to help you out. So say if you went shopping and you had some wine, you could put the wine in, and instead of it hitting against each other down in the boot space, you're going to have more free space to put it in there so it doesn't get damaged against any of the other shopping. That's the third accessory. Let's move on to the fourth. Alright guys, so the next accessory we've got is from Fatbits UK, and it's this really cool humidifier. And basically what a humidifier is, it just brings out all the clean air and makes it nice and fresh. So like say if you've had takeaway Mackies in your car and it stinks the next day, this would be good to get rid of that really harsh stench smell that it leaves in the car. So basically it just comes out with loads of cool air, and you can even spray your favorite cologne in there. So like say if you want Hugo Boss, 1 Million, Gucci Guilty, that is what you can spray in this bottle. All you have to do is fill it up with either hot or cold water, and then just put 2 or 3 sprays of your cologne in there, and then just put the lid back on, plug the USB in here, and then there's a little button just there, and you just click it and the air will start coming out just like that. It will come out straight away and it won't stop. If you don't want it to come out constant, then you can have this other feature where you click it again and it starts pumping out air. So it'll be like every 3 seconds it'll pump back out again, little bits of it, so there's not as much if it's too strong for you. And also you can hold the button down, and the top where it's white here will change colour. You can have it on set blue, or you can have it on multicolour where it's just loads of different colours around the top. All you have to do is just, you can put it in your cup holder here, and it's got the USB obviously that you're going to need to plug in. So I've got one of these cigarette USB adapters, which is really handy for a lot of things, like if you want LEDs in your car. So all you have to do guys is just plug the USB into the cigarette USB adapter, and then just plug the other side into the humidifier. Just like so. Then obviously once it's plugged in, just click this button here once and it starts spraying out with your favourite cologne and just makes the car overall smell a lot nicer. And if you want to have a light on it, you can just hold the button again and it comes on. And if you don't want just blue for a chill mood, you can have it on a more of a happy note, which is just all sorts of different colours. And if you don't like the way the smoke's coming out so much, you can just click it once and it will come out every couple of seconds and stop again, just so it's not constantly in your face when you're driving. So that's that one done, guys, and this one is from Fat Bitch UK. But yes guys, that's the fourth accessory. Now let's move on to the fifth one. Alright guys, so the last product that we have for today is a very unusual one, and not a lot of people know about these, but they are so good for just tidying the car up a little bit. So basically guys, what it is a door lock cover, and you're probably like, what do you mean a door lock cover? And it basically, when you open the door up, it's called a striker plate, and basically we can cover that up so it doesn't look so ugly, because they go really rusty and just really dirty because you're constantly opening and closing the door on it, and all the oil from the door and the grease is just constantly going on, so it's just making it look really dirty, which you don't want to see. So this is going to be something that's going to help you out a little bit. I bought the carbon fibre one, as you can see on the screen now, and all you have to do is just peel the tape off, and all you have to do is just press it down against the striker plate and it is done. That's all you have to do, guys. So here we have the door lock cover, and all we have to do is just peel the tape off, just like that. So it should just look something like that after the red tape's off, and then obviously no sticky on this side because this is the side that's going to be facing outwards to the outside. So all you have to do is literally slide it in like that and just press against it, and there you are, it is installed, as you can see just there, and it looks so much nicer than what it does compared to this side. It just brings the car out a little bit more, that extra bit of style that you could want on the car. So as you open it up, you'll see something nice and sexy. So there's some done out crusty metal that's been there for years on end and just hasn't been cleaned. So now you have something like that, which is nice and smooth. And this one is just from eBay UK, guys. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. Do let me know what you guys think down below. If you want to see more car accessory videos like this, just comment down below what you want to see happen and what products and accessories you want me to use next on the car and in the video. But let me know what your video ideas are down below, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you all enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new and you enjoy my content. I'll see you later, guys.